What does the select statement do in SQL? If you think it just gets data, you're missing the full picture. A select is the fundamental command for retrieving or reading data from a database table. It's a read-only operation, meaning it never modifies your data. Unlike insert, update, or delete, select is completely safe to run because it only queries information. The power of select is in choosing which columns to return. You can specify individual columns like select name, email, or use select star to grab all columns from a table. Being specific is best practice because it reduces network overhead and makes your queries faster and more maintainable. Every select needs a from clause to specify which table you're querying, but you can go further with filtering and sorting. Add or here clause to filter rows, or .by to sort results, or limit to restrict how many rows you get back. Here's a complete example. A select name, email from users, here active equals true, or .by created date limit 10. This retrieves the name and email of the 10 most recently created active users. Remember, select is your go-to command for reading data from tables without changing anything. Practice on interviewmentor.ai to master SQL fundamentals. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.